মানৱ সেৱাৰ পবিত্ৰ শিখাৰে জ্বলা আমি এটি সৰু দীপশিখা।
Welcome to Deepshikha Cancer Care Foundation, a trust for humanity. As the chief patron of Deepshikha, Dr. Bhupen Hazarika had said, "Kothare nohoy bondhu, kamot porisoy." I take great pride in presenting before you Deepshikha's journey in very brief from its inception. Born out of a feeling of deep empathy towards one's fellow humans and nurtured with love, compassion and profound belief in the human spirit, Deepshikha's journey has been a mixed one of beautiful moments and periods of great struggle. Started in the year 2005 in Mumbai, the initial activities of Deepshikha involved a small group of dedicated workers who started offering a helping hand to the patients in Mumbai that over time kick-started the beginnings of a movement against cancer. Using music as a path to enter the hearts of people, a small group of activists started moving into different towns and villages of Assam to increase the awareness of a disease which was so dreaded that people would even refuse to utter the name. As curious onlookers would gather around the band of musicians, the devoted group of people would start talking about the whats, whys and hows of cancer. They took resort to street plays which the local people would identify with easily. They focused on small changes in daily life that could lead to big differences, such as cessation of tobacco in any form. On 21st June 2007, Deepshikha was registered under the Indian Trust Act 1961. Its tiny office at Guwahati became the birthplace of many big dreams and activities. On the 9th of March 2007, Deepshikha opened the voluntary help desk at the B. Borua Cancer Institute, which was inaugurated by Sri Mani Shankar Iyer in the presence of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma and other dignitaries. Till date, over 8,000 people have been aided in some way or the other by this one single initiative of Deepshikha. Do miracles happen? We at Deepshikha firmly believe they do. One such miracle happened one fine day in Mumbai when an angel in human form, Sri Savarmal Sanganeria, author of Brahmaputra Ke Kinare, a travelogue written in Hindi, decided to gift to Deepshikha an extremely valuable property in the heart of Mumbai. Another small lamp was lit and a new door to more dreams opened. Received in a dilapidated condition, after invoking the blessings of the Almighty, members of Deepshikha got down to serious work of planning and renovating the entire premises. Slowly but certainly, their labor of love bore fruit and the picture changed to one of brightness and promise. And finally, on 2nd October 2008, birthday of the father of the nation, the Ratanlal Didwania Arogya Bhavan was inaugurated by Dr. Tapan Saikia, an eminent medical oncologist, in the august presence of philanthropist iron merchant Sri Didwania himself, and the doors opened to many patients who needed a home away from home during their treatment in Mumbai. The Arogya Bhavan offers facilities for stay at a very nominal price, and patients from all over the country have availed of these facilities since that day. In the meantime, Deepshikha continued its by now much stronger, much more well-organized and concerted efforts to help in prevention and early detection of cancer. On the preventive front, more stress was laid on catching the young ones, trying to instill in their impressionable minds the importance of avoiding habits such as using tobacco in any form. The active participation of people who have themselves fought the disease, won and then turned crusaders for Deepshikha, such as Sanjeev, added vigor and strength to our effort, as did the involvement of school and college authorities and civic bodies. Deepshikha joined hands with many other organizations fighting cancer, such as the Cancer Patients Aid Association of Mumbai, doctors of B. Borua Cancer Institute, and many others shared their expertise and time to make the screening camps much more meaningful. We opened stop tobacco centers and help desks at Borpeta and Deomornoi in Mongoloi with the help of local youth on the lookout for an opportunity to help others. Deepshikha organized awareness talks on breast cancer and cervical cancer in different ladies' fora on the International Women's Day and interactive sessions in high schools on World No Tobacco Day. And even in the midst of such serious business of fighting cancer, Deepshikha always remained on the lookout for happy moments of music, fun and frolic. Celebration of Rose Day is one such. And then came the concert for cancer care. Named Pritir Enajori, or A Bond of Love, the first concert was organized on 26th July 2008 at Robindra Bhavan. Cancer patients and survivors, themselves true inspiration to others, took center stage in all our activities. And then we were at Pritir Enajori 2009 with Demonic Resurrection on the 8th of August at the Pragjyoti Center for Performing Art. The function was inaugurated by the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, His Excellency Shri R.S. Moshahari, in the august presence of other dignitaries.
2 ambulances were donated to Deepshikha by LIC of India in Mumbai and Shri Mahavir Jain in Guwahati respectively. The immediate future vision of Deepshikha revolves around the creation of a hospice for the care of the terminally ill cancer patients in an ambience of serenity, tranquility and love. For this, we have been gifted a plot of land in the outskirts of Guwahati by another noble soul, Shri Babulal Jain. Deepshikha remains indebted to all of them for these gestures.
True, we are reaching for the stars. True, it may seem a task impossible, but faith burns bright that if we all hold hands in trust, love and compassion, we will succeed. And to all those who feel that there is no hope, we ask, says who? Know that there is hope, and that together we shall overcome someday.
Manuhar puja rehe devotak paba rongere bhorai lua bahiti tumar ahokhere aguai jo